Yo, what is up, guys? It is Motovlog day, and oh man, am I excited for this Motovlog, boys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Today, we are taking a Motovlog trip to Georgetown. Now, funny enough, lived in Colorado my whole life, and I've never been to Georgetown. Can you believe that? It's not that far from me. It says 40 minutes, but I could probably do it in, like 30. So we're headed to Georgetown on a beautiful Monday. I mean, look at this. Hopefully it stays beautiful, but I'm so excited. I'm not gonna film a lot on the highway because a good chunk of this ride is I-70 highway. So I'll come back every now and then when there's like a few points of interest or anything like that. But other than that, we're just gonna film when we start getting closer. So I just had to get the intro out of the way. So let's go to Georgetown, boys. All right, so we're coming up on the spot that everybody loves. This little overpass. There's so many people that take pictures on this bridge right here. Because, I mean, look at that. Like, wow. It's such a cool overpass. Are the buffalo out today? Let's see. Buffalo! No, I don't see them. Darn. What a shame. But we're coming up on Evergreen now. I've been on here for a little while. Not too long. Evergreen's not too far at all, but that's the next town we hit is Evergreen, but we continue through that. The next time I might bring the vlog up is going through Idaho Springs if I can get to the camera in time, which I actually have done a video at, but I would like to redo it because I think the camera quality was double ass cheeks. So I'm gonna see if I can see the waterfall in Idaho Springs. We're still on here for another like 15 miles, not too much at all. All right, see you in Idaho Springs. Look at these roads. We just hit Clear Creek County. What? Look at this. I got fucking great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. I got that song playing in my helmet, just cruising along, weaving through traffic. What an actual banger, man. Oh, what a banger. Oh yeah, look at this part, boys. Woo, look at that. Oh, what an amazing ride, man. I'm getting pelted with rocks currently. All right. Ow, dude. Ow, fuck. Ow, 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 ow. Dude, holy. I just got a huge grip of rocks thrown at me. So, slight concern before I let the vlog go again. This old girl does not like elevation. She loves to die constantly at elevation, and we're going to about 8,000 feet. So, let's hope we don't die, huh? All right, boys, I'll catch up with you guys a little bit down the mountain. Oh, we got a tunnel. Tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Oh, my homies love tunnels. Oh, tunnel. It's kind of a small one. Woo! Oh yeah, I actually think we're coming up on Idaho Springs. We are. The next exit, boys. Oh, next 3 exit. Oh, okay. All right. Sorry, I wasn't familiar with your game. 3 exits. There's the Idaho Springs sign where the gold rush began. Finally, we can explore, baby. Oh, look, a gold mine. Hey, yo, hey, why don't you share some? Share some of the wealth with me. Come on. Come on, share some. Don't be greedy. Is this the waterfall? Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Look, is it going? You can see the little water wheel. Yeah, there it is. Aw, I love that little waterfall. That is so wicked. All right, boys, Georgetown bound. Well, boys, not even 4 or 5 minutes down the road from the last part, we've done hit a little traffic. It doesn't look too bad. State trooper, ooh, those are the fucking mean ones. Sorry, van. You got one of the mean ones. All right, here's our exit, boys. Oh, look, a bighorn sheep sign. Bighorn sheep crossing. Look at this back road. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. Oh, my Lord, look at. Wow. Look at these back roads. Oh my gosh. Bridge. Oh, the creek, man. Oh, wow. Okay, we're kind of starting to come back up onto I-70 here. I did get directions to Georgetown Lake and not Georgetown like the city. Yeah, there it is, the sign. 8,519 feet. Oh my God, and the roads just instantly get dog ass. Hello, what happened, Georgetown? There's the lake. We made it, boys. Oh, let's go. All right, she's taking me to the parking lot. There's a paddleboarder out there. Wait, can you kayak it? Oh shit. That was my turn, wasn't it? I think that was my turn. I'll just turn here. Oh my gosh, we made it, boys. Look at this. Wildlife viewing. Oh shit. Hopefully this ground is hard enough and my bike doesn't sink. Bike's all locked up. Let's go walk around the creek a little bit, boys. Let's go take a look at some stuff. Oh my gosh. How have I never been here before? If this helmet gets too hot, I'm gonna take it off and film some on my iPhone because I want to enjoy this too. You know, I've never been up here, but I'd like to film it, but the helmet is really heavy. Let's go out to these rocks. Oh my gosh, boys. I wish I had my fishing license. Shoot, we're gonna have to try to make our way over that bridge 100%. Dude, wow. This is insane. We have to, we're making our way over that bridge. We have to, we literally have to. Oh my gosh. So right now we are at exactly 8,400 feet. Exactly. 8,400 exactly. Wow. What a wicked spot, man. What a cool spot. We got to go over there, boys. I might film it on my phone though, to be honest. So, yeah, I'm going to go put the helmet back and I'm going to go film my phone just so I can enjoy it and walk around without this enormous like egg on my head. Listen, I may sound like a pussy, but I wish I could tell you, it's like you could experience how heavy this helmet is. You know what I'm saying? All right, we just left the bike alone. I'm going to walk this way for a minute. I don't know how well you guys can hear me because of the wind, but we're going to walk this way for a minute and just like I'm like, you kid, I'm literally like speechless. Oh, who the fuck littered? Don't litter. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how I've never come here before. It's really not that far from the house. So I see another bridge way down over there, but we're going to that one. It's a little bit closer, but maybe we'll have to go down to that way. We'll see. Look at this. It's like a little mini tree tunnel to get to the bridge. Oh, shade feels kind of good. It's still hot, boys, I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, it feels a little better, but it's still pretty hot. How cold do we think it is? Let's see how cold it is. It's actually not that bad. All right, I'm just following a path, so I hope it leads to the bridge. There must be like a sandbar out there. Look, that guy's just walking. That means there's got to be like a sandbar almost to the bridge, boys. We're getting a little bit closer to the bridge. I found an actual trail, so I'm following it almost to the bridge. I wish like the camera could do the scale of how big that mountain is. Now I see some trees along this other side too. I may or may not have brought my hammock. So, well, we're almost to the bridge. We've almost made it. Look, oh, wow, I'm probably gonna stop and take some pictures. That is insane. What does this say? You can pause and read that if you want. I'm not going to. Wow. Look how perfect with that guy out there. How beautiful. This has become more of a vlog than a moto vlog, huh? We'll get back on the bike in a minute. Oh, wow. What's on this side? Oh, it's like a dam. Oh God, let's not drop my phone. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Look at all those rocks. Look at all those chickens. Dude, if you can come here, you definitely need to come here. It was definitely worth it. And it's really not even that far from like Denver. It wasn't far from where I'm at, but Denver, I think it's only like 45-ish minutes. Oh, the bridge just started shaking. I thought I died. So I've hiked on the other side a little bit now. I don't know, oh my God, there's chipmunks. Do you see the chipmunks? I got distracted, I'm sorry. Look at the little chipmunks. Hey, I got distracted. I had to put it on the snap. The bike is over there. I can actually see it. Let's see if you guys can see it. Can you see the bike? Way over there. Oh, my finger. So I don't know how far I'm gonna hike this, but you know, I'm here, so why not hike it a little bit, right? So let's just keep on hiking. Look at these cool benches. See widely. Oh, they've got eagles. Oh, that's wicked. Let's test the comfort level. Oh, I just hit my back on the chair. Not the comfiest thing I've ever sat on in my life. Let's take off the backpack, maybe that'll help. Nope. You wanna see this? Since we've gained like 2,500, 3,000 feet of elevation, these waters have so much air in it. Watch, listen to this. Did you hear it go? It happens. Hydrate. I don't think I see anybody fishing. I don't want to disturb anybody, but I found a skipping rock. obviously, I have to see if I still got it, right? Let's see if I still got it, boys. Oh yeah, that was a pretty decent one. I gotta find one more. Obviously, one more for the road, right, boys? Oh, look, there's a butterfly. I don't want to, oh, there he goes. I didn't want to disturb him, but I guess I disturbed him. Where'd he go? There he is. Look how clear this water is. I mean, there's actually a fish in between those rocks. He ran in there to hide when I stepped on this one, so you can't see him. But there's a fish in there. Look how clear this is. And then it just like turns into moss and drops off. I'm trying to see an update. The bridge is way over there. And I'm still on this trail, so we're gonna see where it goes. Well, we just hit the other side of the lake. Looks kind of small. It gets a really cool view. There's more buildings. Maybe a sign I'm gonna go read. A bug just flew in my mouth. Dude, you guys see this bug? Where is he? Look at him. Where'd he go? You guys see him? I think he's trying to bite me. Might be a horsefly trying to eat me. Look at Tom. Look at Tommy Benhoff. I wish I was that happy. Well, we just hit the first asphalt road a little bit back there. We're completely on the other side of the lake, and the bike, you can actually see it. It's way down there. So I'm gonna probably just do this little walk because it doesn't seem interesting. I've already shown this side. I guess I'll show, oh look, there's like a little reservoir on that side. I hear police sirens. Where are they at? I was like, oh, that's cool, that's wicked, look at that shot. Oh my God, that guy's running. Oh, I wish you could see it. I wonder if you'll see him peek out over here. Dude, that car is running from the cops. Oh my God, he just came whipping by here. Of course, I wasn't filming. All right, good news. Bike is still standing and helmet is still there. So let's get back on the bike. All right, so we're getting ready to leave. I'm a little concerned. I'm gonna go into the town of Georgetown. It's only 5 minutes away, but I am a little bit concerned because as you can see all this traffic building up, and that cop that went by earlier from that guy running, I just saw about 12 more cops, and if you look at the map on Google, it is dark red, and I believe that that is the way home. I believe that's I-70, so that sucks. So what we're gonna do is try to not think about the struggle that we're getting ready to have to go through and just go enjoy Georgetown. Can we talk about how beautiful that was? I was just blown away. Like, wow. I did end up doing the full loop. I didn't think I was gonna, but I did. So I'm glad I did the full loop. I mean, it was a lot of fun, man. I'm definitely gonna have to come here in the car and enjoy it. Bring my kayak, maybe. Oh, now you already know that hotel is expensive as hell. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck is that? That was like a stand-up and sit-down bike. Wait, a helipad? Huh? Why do they got a helipad? Is that like some search and rescue? Town of Georgetown. Oh, cool. I just have her taking me to the Capitol, and then once I get down here, I'm just gonna mob around and, you know, explore a little bit. Family Dollar. Okay, let's see what they got to offer. So they got a Family Dollar. Okay, a gas station. Ooh, you know what? I should probably... I'm only at 34 miles. Oh, they actually have two gas... Oh, there's a bunch of bikes right there. They only have 2 gas stations. A Subway in the gas station. Oh, there's the visitor center. Oh, okay, well, we're just gonna go through the town a little bit. It's not very big. Wow, this is such a sick town. A pizzeria. I love pizza. Oh, the railroad's up here. I want to do... There's like a railroad up here that takes you like back through here. I've never done it. I want to, but I have no friends. So I don't want to do like something like that alone, you know? Wow, what a cool sign. We're gonna go actually up here. Historic Georgetown. I gotta get a picture of that. Please, bike, don't fall over. Thank you. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Wow, and you got like a Georgetown street right there. Wow. Oh, that is so wicked, boys. Oh, this makes me so happy. Oh, I love it. All right, let's get off this road. I wonder why this road seems kind of dead. A purple house in Georgetown, that's kind of cool. Look at that, like, historic buildings down there. What a cool town, man. I bet you it is unbelievably expensive to live out here. Oh, there's some race cars right here. There's a race car. It's one of those dirt cars. Oh, you guys can't really see it. It was that bright yellow thing. Dude, that'd be a really cool hotel to stay at. Ain't no way it's cheap, though. Just look at that. I don't know how many times I've said that in this video. Oh, yeah, they are dead stopped up here. I-70's always up to something, huh? Oh, there's the ambulance right there. Uh-oh. That's a bummer. Yeah, traffic's back up to speed. Woo! All right, good. So we did avoid it. Oh, God, I did not want to sit in that. Ooh, an old-ass cemetery. That's creepy. Now it's I-70. All right, boys, I'm gonna do this highway trek, and I'll bring back the vlog if anything interesting happens. All right, boys, I'm pretty much at the bottom. I'm just actually, you wanna see what I've been doing the whole time? I've been doing this. You can't tell, but if you look in the rear view, I've just been laying down this whole time, literally. Like, it's so comfy to just lay down, but I'm pretty much at the bottom of I-70, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so glad we got to go to Georgetown and everything went well. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later!